Power hacksaw machine. Power hacksaw machine. Power hacksaws are used to cut large sizes of metal such as steel. Cutting diameters of more than 15 mm is very hard work. Therefore power hacksaws have been developed to carry out the difficult and time-consuming work. Parts of the power hacksaw machine. The frame or body or base. DC motor. Power hacksaw blade arm. Flywheel. Horizontal guide. Power hacksaw blade. Switch on/off power box. Machine vise. Advantages of power hacksaw machine. Cut the materials very fast. Can be operated at high speeds and even at low speeds. Blades are easy to remove and fix so. We use the different types of blades according to the strength, for different types of materials. Application of power hacksaw machine. It is used in workshops where the high thickness and of materials are used to the machine. It can be used in automobile manufacturing industries, mostly in large materials welding industries or enterprises. For detail please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.